which clients were the most fun to work with for IP development for you guys?
Oh, well, I wouldn't say like clients, like companies or projects, but more like people, like production designers.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think so. Like
Dave Warren.
yeah, Dave Warren was one of the best, the production designer of Emerald City. He was also the production designer of the Imaginarium of Dr. Parnassus, and he was a super great guy.
Yeah, and it was really in our early times, so
Yeah.
it was the first of one of our first
big job.
projects.
Yeah,
So
it was really
sweet.
great. And he's a super funny guy as well.
Yeah.
And probably the other best one was Mara Bershru.
Yeah.
He was the production designer of Alienist, and she was also nominated for Emmys and what's that? Art Directors Guild Award.
Yeah.
He won Art Directors Guild Award for the production designer of Alienist. Actually, we also won.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah, it's weird.
She was really good. Yeah,
Don't
for
forget
really
to
good
do
jobs.
Yeah, so
Yeah, so it's more people, I think.
Yeah.
But if I think we kind of like all projects because every project is different, and it also keeps us fresh to do different projects, like even parallel sometimes.
And I think it was really glorious that there are a lot of different kind of tasks to solve in these projects, because we were doing concept art for environment and prop design and storyboards, and we were got involved to VFX design as well. And so we really like if there are a lot of things or a lot of different things are happening. So this is what is really keeps us as fresh as we are. Not now, but usually.
9 p.m. But yeah,
As opposed to tired and just ridiculously burnt out. It's always interesting too, because I mean, it really is a people business. And
yeah, absolutely.
you know, you at the level that you're working, those relationships are critical to the success of a project. We have a question from MC, I guess, and they asked, can you discuss a little bit about how you go about seeking projects or work from clients such as Netflix?
Well, to be honest, we are not really seeking projects anymore. So
We stopped it already.
Well, not really, but so what happens is they are approaching us to be in projects. So that's what's happening. I mean, it really started from the connections what we gathered through our freelance years, probably, and then after we started to work as a company and we started to build a portfolio. Usually, what started to happen is like one production designer took us to his next project, or recommended us to another production designer or another director. So it's really about connections.
Yeah,
I think. And luck.
Yeah.
I hate to say that, but it's true. So it's and sometimes they find our websites or our station, but that's more rare.
Yeah,
I think.
Mostly we are living from our connections, and we have a lot of incoming movies shooting here in Budapest. So
yeah,
we are in the system.
Yeah, and I think we got basically lucky. We were in a good place at the right time, because we were really thinking about starting the company in London originally, and but then decided to start it in Hungary, and that was when the movie industry started to boom in Hungary, because they built like 2 or 3 huge studio complexes close to Budapest, and so a lot of movies are coming to shoot here, a lot of TV series from Netflix and everything. So we work for them. That's one part, like about 1/3 of our work, and 1/3 we are working directly with the clients, with the international clients like Paramount or HBO, and another 1/3 is like various, like everything, like in my shop, doing illustrations,
marketing art, storyboards,
advertisements. So we also done, like just an example. We worked for an advertisement agency in New York, but then like a month later we worked on the new Mazda campaign for an agency in Berlin, and then we worked on a Paramount production what was shooting in South America. So it's all like a big mix.